Now that you know how to use your advanced search function and change display functions effectively, we're going to show how to do bulk changes, so make changes to groups of records at once using the checkbox function. So right now I've just got a list of records here. I did a keyword search for trails for the whole region. And now you can see with my results list that I have some checkboxes available here. So if I didn't have those checkboxes, but I wanted to make changes to multiple records at once, I'd want to just access my change display options box again here and make sure that select checkbox is on. So if I checked that off here, update my display options, close my window, and then refresh my tab, you'll see that those checkboxes go away. And you'll also see that there's an action drop-down menu here that's also gone. So I need those two things in order to do bulk changes. So if you don't see them, go change display options, make sure your select checkbox radio button here is clicked on, update your display, close your window, refresh your page, and then you should have those checkboxes here and this action drop-down menu here. So you do your advanced search to make sure you've got a list of records here that works for your purposes. And then you go through and you check off the specific records that you want to make a change to. You can also use the check all button if you just want to check them all. So maybe you've done a really good search and the records that are in your list are exactly the ones you want to change. So you could select check all. You can also uncheck all if you want to. And then you use the action drop-down menu to take a bulk action. So you could send an email or add or remove a pub code, that sort of thing. So you can play around with this feature and see how it works. So you could delete a couple of records at once. You could set a bunch to non-public. You could print this group of records. So there's lots of options here, changing record owners to groups of records at once. So say one group is no longer owning records and they want to switch a bunch of records over to another group, you can quickly do that by searching by record owner, selecting them all, and then switching them over to a new record owner. So this feature really does save a lot of time when you know how to use it correctly. So check it out and see how it works.